So I wear a lot of boat shoes and shoes that you don't wear with socks. In the summertime, I also wear slippers inside my house. Again, no socks. And if you are wearing shoes without socks or slippers without socks, you'll know that it doesn't take long for them to smell. I know it's kind of a gross thing to talk about, but this is what works for me. It's just Dr. Scholl's ODOR-X spray. It's easy to use because it is a spray. You just spray the inside of your shoes when you're done using them, or maybe even like once a month or so. I don't use it very often, but every once in a while when I see it, I grab it, I just spray the insides of my shoes and move on with my life. One thing to notice though is if you have dark colored shoes, it does spray white, so it will turn your things white, but then as soon as you wear it and rub it off, eventually all that kind of white spray powder goes away and it looks normal again. But just know that, be careful if you're spraying the outsides of your shoes because this white powder will get on there and it'll look bad. But does it work? In my experience, yes, it does reduce the odor. It does help kind of freshen up my slippers and my shoes. And again, just look out for the white coloration of the spray. Make sure you're getting it inside your shoes where no one's looking at it and not on top of your shoes. But this stuff's great. I use it and I would definitely recommend it.